Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Legally Yours. I'm here again with the brilliant Glen Falting from Arenburg, and in this interview we're actually going to get to know a little bit more about the specific services that Glen provides in aged care and elder law. So thank you for joining me, Glen.
Lovely to be here, Karen. Thanks very much.
Oh, absolute pleasure. Now, aged care and elder law is quite a niche area. Would you be able to sort of provide some more specific details in relation to the actual services that you provide to the clients in relation to that, but also the support that you provide to families as well?
Oh, absolutely. Look, I'll focus on the providers in the first instance. So as a regulatory lawyer, what I do, I help clients all the way through the regulatory life cycle. So from regulatory change to accreditation and licensing through to assurance and compliance at the other end. That means in practice we would help service providers in approved provider applications, aged care places and transfers, compliance risk assessments and audits, policy development, compliance and assurance, training programs, report design. In short, we help clients get compliant and stay compliant.
Okay.
And that's on the service providers side of things. On the family side of things, we understand that, particularly sort of aged care, it's a challenging time for the entire family. And part of our team here at Arenburg, we have a team of lawyers. We also have a team of experienced clinical care providers who've got a lot of time and experience providing aged care themselves from the residential aged care service providers. And they are able to provide assistance when we're developing solutions for aged care providers themselves. But it also allows us, when we're working with our individual clients, to help manage their expectations and help guide them through the process, because it is quite a complicated process. I think it's a little unfortunate, but as we sort of get towards the end of our life, life becomes more increasingly complex in terms of the government regulations and the funding arrangements. So this will have somebody who's been there before, had some experience, and to be able to guide our clients through that.
Absolutely, and it's really important that people sort of access the right people with the right expertise at this time, because as you say, it's quite a complex area, so you need to be able to gain into those places. And so you're very good at, obviously you can help people all over Australia. It's not just specifically in Queensland as well, is that correct?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, aged care in particular is a Commonwealth regulated area, and so the laws are the same all over Australia. And a lot of what we do is not, strictly speaking, legal advice. What it is, it's bringing to bear the experience that we have in developing organisational solutions to regulations, and the coalface experience that our clinical team has is able to sort of obviously be applicable in every state. So we're not constrained by state borders in any way.
Fantastic. And you're also very big on, which is a similar value to what we have here at Legally Yours, is this sort of education equals empowerment equals engagement. So you are actually available and you do provide free sort of legal education around this quite complex area. Is that correct?
Oh, look, absolutely. I think a lot of people, it takes them quite a long time to just feel comfortable in this space. And it's kind of funny, I think there's a sort of a reluctance amongst people to come to terms with the fact that they are getting old, and people do tend to approach this area fairly slowly and tentatively, and they have lots of questions. They have lots of concerns, they have lots of questions that want answered. There is a lot of information out there, but we are more than happy, and we make ourselves available whenever we can to speak to our clients and just help them get comfortable with the decisions that they will be facing as they go through the process.
Fantastic. So look, if this is resonating with you, if you have either parents or yourself, you're transitioning into this sort of area, I would strongly encourage you to have a complimentary consultation with Glen, and you can actually find him on our website at legallyyours.com.au. We can actually just head direct to arenburg.com and you can connect with Glen there. Look, Glen, thank you so much. It's such a valuable service and we are so excited to have you as part of our network. So thank you very much for chatting with me today.
You're very welcome, Karen. It's great to be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.